Dashcams have moved from being a novelty gadget into the mainstream. Many drivers fit one through choice, but now some employers and insurers will insist you have a camera because it makes insurance claims simpler to resolve. While the cheapest units can cost less than Piece 20, it's worth investing more to get useful features and sharper footage. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best dash cams of 2025 in the market which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue NA. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dash cam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels, but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all 3 cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1020 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low-light conditions. Number 2. Cobra SC400D. As far as pure visual performance, the Cobra SC400D was the best dash cam we tested, thanks to its 4K resolution. We agreed that its video footage genuinely looked the best, too. We found the touchscreen to be easy to operate and responsive, and the Cobra uses its proprietary Drive Smarter app to provide police alerts and other driver reports. And you can send it on a mount. Minor grumble, it would be that the mount only swivels forward and backward, not side to side. However, the wide angle of the lens practically eliminates the need to do so. The Cobra secures to the windshield via a large sticky pad for the mount and a very strong magnet for the camera itself. Of course, this kind of quality and sheer amount of features add up in cost, but if you're serious about purchasing a dash cam, we loved this one. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. A 128 GB micro SD card holds about 6.7 hours of footage. Number 3. 1080p HD dash cam. We appreciate that we'll probably get some flack for including this model in this test when there are so many dash cams out there, but we were determined to evaluate our licensed namesake unit on its own merits. And darned if it didn't step up as the best budget option we tested. The Car and Driver 1080p dash cam has front and rear cameras and a touchscreen interface for easy driver control. The unit has standard features like parking mode, collision detection, and a G sensor to keep one eye open after you've left the vehicle. One thing we really liked about this model is its dual tripod option that allows different mounting iterations from the top or bottom of the camera. This feature made it easy to adjust the dash cam according to the angle of the windshield. During our driving test, we detected a faint magenta hue on the screen, which we could not adjust for. But when we uploaded the data, the magenta hue did not affect the footage. Number 4. Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dashcam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rearview mirror if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set-and-forget dashcam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dashcam. Number 5. Escort MaxCam 365. The MaxCam 360C primarily serves as a radar detector with a secondary dashcam function. It isn't ideal for those seeking only a dashcam, but for anyone wanting a radar detector with a competent camera to boot, it's a great choice. The dashcam boasts of 2560 by 1440 resolution with a Sony Starvis image sensor that captures 30 frames per second and offers a 143-degree field of view. The video quality is contrasty, with noticeable noise reduction and compression that significantly impacts image quality. We found the MaxCam 360C performed well in low-light conditions, although finer details became blurry. It clearly captured license plates up to 10 feet away under ideal conditions, but beyond that, its clarity is a miss, even in the most ideal conditions.